If you've already deleted photos from your Samsung gallery but they're still taking up space in the trash, this guide will show you how to permanently remove them. Follow these simple steps to empty the recycle bin and free up storage on your Samsung phone. Open the Samsung Gallery app on your device. Once you're in the gallery, tap the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines and is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. Next, tap Trash or Recycle Bin, depending on your Samsung software version. This folder temporarily stores deleted photos and videos for up to 30 days before they're removed automatically. If you want to erase them immediately, you can do it manually. Inside the trash, tap the More icon, the three dots, in the upper right corner of the screen. A small menu will pop up with additional options. Select Empty to remove every item currently stored in the trash. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete all files. Tap Delete to confirm your choice. Keep in mind that once you empty the recycle bin, those photos and videos cannot be recovered through the Samsung Gallery app. So make sure you don't need any of them before continuing. After a few moments, the trash will be completely cleared, giving you additional storage space and keeping your gallery organized. This is especially useful if you've deleted a large number of photos or videos and want to free up memory right away, instead of waiting for automatic deletion.